we are preparing yet another very healthy and nutritious breakfast recipe, Ragi Porridge. This is a wholesome meal packed with health benefits. You will surely like this one. It's a very quick recipe and takes only few minutes to prepare. So let's see how to prepare it. Before moving to the recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. In a pan, we will take 2 tablespoons of ragi. Into this, we will add half a cup of water and we will whisk it well so that there are no lumps in it. To this, we will add 1 more cup of water. Mix it well. Now we will transfer this pan on a flame and then we need to cook this slurry on medium flame till it thickens up. Continuously stir this slurry because it tends to stick at the bottom. So in order to avoid that, keep on stirring the slurry in between. We need to ensure that ragi is cooked properly. So keep the flame on medium side. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a holistic breakfast food as it activates the digestive juices and ensures complete assimilation of all the nutrients. It is rich in iron, so very good for people who are anemic, and is an excellent source of calcium. Ragi is actually a superfood as it is densely packed with a host of nutrients and accounts for innumerable health benefits such as enhancing digestion because it is fiber rich and also reduce the risk of heart diseases. It slows down aging and even manage diabetes. So you see, ragi is very healthy to consume. You can see the mixture has started to thicken up. So it is very crucial that you stir it completely in order to avoid sticking at the base. At this stage, we can add 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. You can adjust the sweetness as per your taste. If you like more sweet porridge, then you can increase the quantity to 2 teaspoons. And I will also add 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds. I have simply crushed flax seeds in mixer grinder and then I am using it. Flax seeds is good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Our porridge is almost ready and we'll cook it for 1 to 2 more minutes. You can see ragi porridge is ready. It's just the perfect consistency for me, neither too thick nor too thin. I will turn off the flame at this stage. If you want more thick porridge, then you can cook it further or reduce the quantity of water. However, if you are serving this porridge to babies, then this is the perfect consistency. Even I like ragi porridge the same way. This porridge also tends to thicken up after cooling, so you should adjust the quantity of the porridge accordingly. Now let's serve it. After turning off the flame, you can see the ragi porridge has thickened up and now we will serve it. Further, we can serve ragi porridge with some chopped apples and banana. Basically, you can use any seasonal fruit. And I'll also be using few nuts. Friends, our ragi porridge is ready to serve to adults, kids and even small babies. If you do not want to eat sweet ragi porridge, then you can even make it salty just by replacing jaggery with salt. Also, as I mentioned earlier, ragi is very fibrous and it is perfect for weight loss. So you can consume this as a meal if you are on a weight loss diet. It is very helpful. So overall, this is a very versatile recipe which you can serve to your family for breakfast or even in the evening. If you like watching today's video, Give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.